Mango Tech, our channel named after the cat. So, as you heard from that amazing intro right there, we are Mango Tech. Me, Benny.
And I'm Shane, the non-Intel scrub.
Alright, that's it for him. I'm taking this video as, of course, as you all know, Intel is the best. But that's no argument there. But basically, we are Mango Tech, named after my cat called Mango, but she's left now. But we're basically here to try help new people, or even some experienced people, learn some new things about the weird world of technology. And we do PC reviews, hardware guide, software guide, basically anything you can think of tech-wise. But to start off,
We are the big giveaway. Put credit card detail in comment to win.
so as I mentioned, I am Benny, here's Shane. I actually have a gaming channel, link down below in the
The
description.
picker place.
Shameless plug. But yeah, at this moment, our channel is not going to be the greatest, as for most of the things a tech channel would do, we need a budget. And we don't have a budget, nor sponsors yet. But what we do have is knowledge. No, but seriously, we have some knowledge, and we're going to learn with you. But we also have PCs ourselves, and we're going to use what we have to demonstrate to you. But as you can see, this is either going to be a green screen or just a blanket. If this works as a green screen, good, it's going to be a green screen. If it doesn't work as a green screen, you're just going to see a blanket as the background of our videos. Also, yeah, this is my kitchen. That's Shane. And this is where we're recording, so as you can see, it's quite a budget build.
And we're going to demonstrate our low budget by showing you what we have in terms of PC hardware.
So to start off, my build. So first of all, this is my PC. I took all the plates off. What are they called? Panels off. Because we're gonna do a video in a second on the best fan configuration. But firstly, case. It's an NZXT S40.
S340.
S340s. He knows his numbers well. Then I'm rocking a special, really spicy Zotac AMP Edition 1080 with a base clock of, I can't remember. Anyways, but yeah, that's overclocked by hand. It didn't do well. I only got extra 80 megahertz on the core clock. But yeah, anyways, if you want to overclock it, stay tuned because I'm going to make a guide on it. Then next, I'm rocking a i7 6700K default clock, so 4 gigahertz, 4 cores, of course, with the coolermaster fan. Then 2 8 gigabytes.
Benny, why do you have 16 gigabytes of RAM? That's so pointless.
Stay tuned because we're making a video on that as well. But yeah, 2 times 8 gigs of RAM, each at 3200 megahertz, which is pretty nice. And also, I have that because I usually edit and do other things at the same time, and I kind of need 16 gigs for that. Yeah. Then the motherboard is a Gigabyte Z170 Gaming K3. Yep, that's it. Shane's the expert on the motherboard. Then I've got wireless adapter there. I've got a coolermaster 140mm fan at the top and a Corsair 120mm at the back. Then for the back of the case, not great cable management, but ignore that. Rubbish. 2 WD blue HDDs, each at 7200 RPM, and 1 SSHD hybrid, and all of them are 1 terabyte each. And powering it all is a 750 watt EVGA 80 plus gold power supply. So yeah, I've got the better build, but I've been working on this for 5 years now, literally not spending any money on anything else. And my setup is just a classic 1080p 60 Hz monitor, 21.5 inch, which I have no idea why manufacturers do, by the way. Why can't they just do 22 inch? Even I don't know that. But if you're wondering why I've got a double monitor mount, it's because I'm planning on to get a second monitor, and this will go here as a secondary monitor, and have that one as the main one. And I'll put a link to that in the description as well, and a picture of it up on the screen now. But it's a 1440p 144 Hz G-Sync monitor, 24 inch. I don't want much bigger display, but yeah, it's quite a big upgrade. I'm still saving for that. Then I've got Razer Deathstalker keyboard. Oh, I have no idea which mouse is that. It was down in the description. It's just a Corsair one. There's my PC, just a average Razer Goliath mouse pad, and a chair. It's really comfortable. And yeah, I was just editing the video and I forgot to record this, so I'm doing it now. So yeah, that is my setup, and now I'll show you Shane's.
Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mango Tech. This is my part of the intro video with my parts, and yeah, I'm Shane, hello. I've still got the plastic film on the tempered glass because, you know, got to keep it dry, but we have a Ryzen 5 1600X already clasped in, 8GB of DDR4, 2133 megahertz. Already got 24 pin plugged in. GTX 1050 Ti Zotac Mini edition because, you know, graphics card prices. And then parts I haven't got yet. Oh wait, no. Have got an aero cool, some amount of watts power supply down there somewhere. And then, okay, what have I got coming? I need this. I've got a coolermaster Master Liquid Light 120mm. Fan's gonna go over here. In there. So that's the liquid AIO that we're gonna put on that. Gives me some extra overclocking. Oh yeah, motherboard. ROG Strix B350F is the one I've got here. Case actually as well, forgot about that. NZXT S340. So I've got the black and blue one. So it came with two case fans. I installed one of them, but I'm going to put it back over here. So things we've got coming. We've also got a SSD. So I think it's going to be I'm either going to go with a SanDisk or a Samsung 120GB to install the OS on. And some games for that tasty loading time that Beni hates. Also, I'm going to take the hard drive out of my Optiplex 9010 all-in-one, and we're going to put it down here in order to, it's only 500 gigs, but for now it will do. It's got a pre-installed OS that's activated, so that's good. Obviously we've got this bit, the rear I/O shield, and yeah, that's it, I think. So, thank you for watching this video. We are Mango Tech, and we hope to see you in the next video.
Should people subscribe to our YouTube channel? Should they dislike? No, you were supposed to say no! Oh, you stupid cat.
Mango Tech tips, and we hope to...
No, Mango Tech. Mango Tech. Record.
It is recording.
No, that's good.
No, it's recording.
Circle, dude! No, oh yeah. With the PC.
Cut that.
Cut! What did I say?
Go.
Zooming on face. No! That's a note for my editing, you nonce.
I know, but I zoomed in on your face
You
anyway.
don't need to. So, as you said...
You're coughing.
Knowledge,
Integrity.
strength and integrity. Also, a note, I own about 70% of this channel. Don't you dare zoom in on my face. I own 70% of this channel since I do all the editing. He does some recording, I do most of the recording. I do all the technical stuff.
What? Lies.
Basically, what he's trying to say is we're going to do a PC review. Basically, what he's trying to say is we're going to show... Basically, what he's... I need to do... Basically, what he's trying to say is that we're going to show our PCs and setups. Please don't kill me, I'm not racist. I have an Indian friend and he actually likes me. I'm not racist. I'm telling you.
Cut that.
I'm the editor. I do whatever I want.
Meow.
You look like my dad. Okay, your turn.
Can we just have like a montage parody there?
Yeah,
where it just zooms in your face and goes, hello, my name's Bob.